Hello friends, my name is Yvette of Yvette Creates, and I am a part of the Not Too Shabby Shop design team. Today I want to share what I got from this month's Paper Pad Club, as well as this month's Stamp and Die of the Month. Now let's start with our Stamp and Die of the Month. This stamp set is the Queen Bee stamp set, and it is so cute. I really like all the little tiny images on this stamp set. I'm thinking I could make my own background panel using this. What do you think? We'll work on that. And then of course we have the coordinating dies, and when you get the Stamp and Die of the Month, your dies do come on this lovely magnetic sheet, which is wonderful to hold them all in place so you don't lose them, especially when you have a lot of these smaller dies. Now the die set does also cut out your sentiments. So your sentiments here are just because, happy, oh honey, and Queen. And so here are the different dies that cut out those sentiments. So beautiful Stamp and Die of the Month. Love them. Next we have our Paper Pad Club. And so with the Paper Pad Club, you do get 2 paper pads, and then you have the option of adding on the coordinating ephemera. So this month's coordinating ephemera goes with the Be My Honey Bee paper pad. And then the Lavender Dreams paper pad has some cut parts included in the paper pad. So let's go through the Lavender Dreams paper pad first and kind of just flip through. And I'm going to put it sideways so you can see the whole thing. And then here are those cut aparts I was telling you about. Now these are perfect to run through your scan and cut. They have this perfect black outline on each of the images. Even the lavender ones are real detailed. So you could run this through your scan and cut them out, and then you have the ephemera to coordinate with this paper. Pretty paper pad. There are 12 designs, 4 of each design. Really cute. Loving this paper pad. Then our next paper pad is the Be My Honey paper pad. Now, as I mentioned, you have the option of adding the coordinating ephemera for this paper pad, and I'll put a picture of that up on screen now so you can see all the beautiful ephemera. So let's go through the paper pad now. This is the Be My Honey Bee paper pad. So this paper pad also has 12 designs, 24 sheets, so 4 of each design. Beautiful paper. So what I'm going to play with today is the Be My Honeybee paper pad and coordinating ephemera. So let's choose which papers I'd like to use. They're just all so pretty. Let's see. And what I'm going to use for making today's card is going to be a sketch. So I think what I'm going to go with, I love this green one with all the, yeah, and I'll use the reverse side. I think this will work great for the sketch. So let's make this card together. So I am going to use the May 2024 Sheetload of Cards sketch. also need some strips of paper to go around your centerpiece. You know, I think I might use this pink pattern paper for the strips of paper. Let me pull that out. Now I will be sure to link to the Not Too Shabby shop in the description box below. I hope I was able to provide you with some inspiration on how to use this beautiful paper and ephemera. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Until next time, bye!